Hey guys, welcome back to Sinfully Scented. Today I am making a key lime pie inspired soap. For colorants I am using Firefly and New Leaf Mica. Both are from Nurture Soap Supplies. And for my fragrance I'm using Margarita Lime Fragrance Oil from Crafter's Choice, otherwise known as Wholesale Supplies Plus. Don't forget to check the description box below. I leave my exact recipe down there as well as links to any products that I mentioned in this video. As usual, I'm not being paid to promote any particular product. I just like to share this information with you all. Once my lye solution was mixed in with my soap and I got to the emulsification stage, I split my batter into 3 parts. I put a little bit in with some titanium dioxide, that's going to make the whipped cream tapping, and the rest of the batter I split evenly between the Firefly and the New Leaf Mica. I use my stick blender to thicken up the white batter significantly so that I can pipe it on later to really give it that whipped cream look. I was going for an ombre or a gradient style for this soap, so I propped my mold up on a towel to give it a slight angle, and then I poured just the New Leaf by itself, and then I slowly added in a little bit of Firefly into the New Leaf, and then poured it again, added more Firefly, poured again, and repeated this process until I was entirely out of soap batter. Now, this did turn out to be quite subtle because there wasn't a lot of contrast between the colors. However, it turned out to look very realistic as far as the color goes. It definitely looks like a key lime pie sort of color. So if you're going for a realistic key lime pie, the combination of the New Leaf Mica and the Firefly Mica will get you there. Once I had finished pouring my green and yellow soap batter, I set this aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to firm up enough that I could pipe the white soap topping onto it. So I've got a silicone piping bag and a Wilton 1M tip, and I just created some little swirls and ridges with this to mimic a whipped cream topping. And then I topped it with some green lime wedge soaps that I made with Melt and Pour soap and New Leaf mica. I don't know why I didn't film the making of the embeds for you. I apologize for that, but just check the description box. Again, there's a link to the mold that I used to make these lime wedges. About 24 hours later, I came back to unmold and cut the soap, and I am very happy with how this turned out. I love this fragrance oil. It is so limey and delicious. It does smell like a key lime pie, at least to me it does. And it doesn't discolor or anything like that, so it's a really wonderful fragrance to work with. And you can see that my gradient didn't quite turn out like I wanted to, but it definitely looks like key lime pie. I am beyond thrilled with how this one turned out. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys again next week.